Guys, I just found out that Target restocked with the new pineapple squeezy, so we're gonna go squishy hunt.
I'm getting close to the toy aisle, so hopefully I can find something. The Target has lots of slime and like Play-Doh and stuff, but so far I'm not seeing any squishies. So let's go check Five Below. Okay, so far Five Below, they just have like clay and slime and stuff. Okay, so they put a sign up that said we are sold out of squishy dumplings and Nidos, so they don't have anything. So I guess I'll have to order online.